Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-21 drag link rod. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 2-21 drag link rod for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's open up the template MMGS. Okay, so I'm going to go top view, sketch. Want a line. So I'm going to go out, angle out. And that's going to be smart dimension. From there to there will be 233.9. That's going to be 40. And that's going to be 40. Excellent. Okay, that's done. We just need this for reference. So get out of that sketch. So now we go to reference plane. Click on this endpoint, could be either endpoint, then click on that line and it's flat and done. Okay, so now on this plane, open sketch, well, circle, make sure you click on that point there so it locks it in. That's going to be 20, no, that's going to be 12, sorry. 12. That's weird. Okay, so that's 12 done. Excellent. Now, let's get out of that sketch. Let's go sweep, boss, base. I think I got the right one. Let me just clear that so we've got the right one. Okay, that should be, yeah, that was the right one. Yep, and that one. And that's what we got. And done. Let's hide that. That's looking good. Let's just put some color to it. We're not finished yet. Let's just put some color to it. Metal, brass. That will do. There we go. Okay, so now we want to go thread. It's going to be M12. Perfect. It's already on there. We want to go that circle there, but we want to go line. It's going to be 20, 20, and done. There we go. Beautiful. Oh man, why does it do that? Why does it do that through? Why does it go all the way through? Come over and do that now. Been a long week, so I got the crown there, but they should go all the way through. So I'm not going to do that again. Got the other day, I'm pretty sure. Again, same as this one. We go to thread. We haven't got thread here, so line 20. So if we go that one, because it doesn't show. Where's that one? So let's just leave it like that for now. There's part 2-21 drag link rod for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon done. So thank you for coming along. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. I do appreciate it. Got any suggestions or things I can do better, or things I'm not doing quite right? As I'm still learning the software, so the idea is, you know, I might teach some wrong way to do things too. So, you know, it's always good to be taught things to do wrong or how I can improve, like thread and that. So thank you for coming along. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.